This is a love reading for you, Scorpio, for the month of March. In this reading, I'm going to do is a heart-shaped spread where on my left will be the cards for you and on my right will be the cards for your partner. Now, this is a general reading, so the guidance may pick up intensity and energy about a certain partner. It could be your ex, it could be your spouse, it could be your good friend, it could just be anybody. So you should understand that since this is a general reading, not everything will resonate with you, and whatever will vary, also will vary in the intensity. So let us see how's the guidance for you, Scorpio. So who are you in the relationship? Who is your partner in the relationship? What is the strength and challenges you bring, your partner brings? How do you see your partner? How does your partner see you? What is the hope or fear you have about the future with your partner? Likewise, your partner has about you. What is the past you are coming from? Your partner is coming from. And how's overall the guidance for the love reading? So let us see. First of all, you both are very, very alike because you see, you both are looking in the same direction, which is you both are faced towards the left. Also, there's a lot of age gap between the two of you. You're fairly young and your partner is quite matured. I won't be surprised if the age gap is as big as a decade. So, you may have 10 years difference between the two of you. This may not necessarily also be just about age. You both could be the same age, and this could be a difference in the maturity also. That one of you is fairly mature and looks like your partner is the one who's very mature compared to you. When I look at the two cards, first of all, out of the two, Scorpio, you are the one who talks the most, or you are forever talking, and your partner is the one who's always in the listening mode, is in the understanding mode, is in always in the nodding mode. He or she is always nodding, agreeing to what you are saying, and you are the one taking actions, saying so much. Let's plan this. Let's do this. This happened to me, and then he did this to me. She did this to me. You're forever talking about something. So this is how it's looking now. What is the strength and challenges the two of you bring? So one, you are a very people person also. Scorpio, you're forever surrounded with friends, whether you are having an argument, whether you're enjoying. There's never a alone moment for you. You're always with the crowd. You like people. You like all the adulation and love. When I see the strength, you like to party and your friends are very precious to you. So some of you may have friends who think like you, who have the same ideology like you, who believe in the same politics or have same political idols like you. So your strength is you enjoy life despite so this relationship is not the only thing that is keeping you tied up. Your friends also take up a lot of your time. You're a very social, outgoing person. Your partner comes from a very good background. He or she comes from a very learned family, and they always have something to offer, whether it is guidance, whether it is love or advice. And he or she, while is in always in a very mature energy, or maybe elder to you by certain age, he or she is very young at heart and has so much love to offer to you. So very beautiful cards here. How do you see your partner, Scorpio, and how does your partner see you? So you see your partner as someone who's not a people pleaser and who does not suck up to you over everything. He or she is not trying to please you. So your partner is capable of giving you some very strong and a genuine feedback or a very true answer. While that hurts you and is not always in your favor, but you respect your partner for this, for telling you how things are or calling spade as a spade. So you like their non mincing words, you like their no need for quoting or dressing up, saying as it is. And he or she can so many times go against you also. Your partner doesn't feel that just because he or she is dating you or is married to you, they should always be in agreement to your views and ideas. That's how you see your partner, who's somebody very independent in thought and is not always trying to please you or agreeing to you. Your partner sees you as someone very lucky, very blessed, and and is headed for a good life. So your partner sees a lot of promise with you in terms of career, money, and all the good life that you're setting into. So some of you may be starting out in a career, or you may be having some kind of a business or even a job. Your partner sees you doing very well, exponentially very well in terms of career. Also, your partner feels that you should think about raising a family or settling down. He or she may not have told you yet, but I see this energy here. Now, what is the hope or fear you have about the future with this partner? And what is the hope or fear your partner has about the future with you? Okay. First of all, I'm seeing that Scorpio, you're experiencing true love with your partner, and you feel that you both are meant to be together, and this is happily ever after. That you may not experience true love with anybody else, what you're experiencing with this partner. So, Scorpio, you're very, very deeply in love with this partner, and you like being with this partner. There's so much, so much love you feel, so connected you feel, and you are always thanking the higher gods, the higher gods or entities for making you be with this partner or meet this partner. Your partner feels you're very reliable, very steady, and in the future you have no surprise to give them. Your partner feels you're very cautious and very, very steady in your approach, and you don't bring in any kind of surprises. So, your partner is able to completely depend on you or count on you about the future. You both are very, very positive about the future. Now, what is the past you are coming from, and what is the past your partner is coming from? You've had a very tough working conditions. You have, been through a lot of stress and been working with a lot of unreasonable demands, whether it was with a past love interest or whether it was in work situation. But you were surrounded with very unreasonable, demanding people, and it took its fair share of stress on you. But you seem to have come out of it very well. Your partner has had bad days. He or she have seen good days and bad days, and it's quite possible that your partner was dependent on money for some reason, on was dependent on someone for money, and has had now their fair share of coming out of it, and they took a lot of time being on their own. Or your partner may have lost a lot of money in the past for whatever reason. I don't know where they lost it, but looks like your partner has lost a lot of money in the past. So how's overall the guidance for the love reading? Let us see. Oh wow, it's such a nice card. One, it's telling me the two of you have a meeting of mind. The two of you know your promises are very real, and you both want to raise a family, grow old, and enjoy every luxury life has to offer. The two of you are very, very tuned in with each other, and your bond is as strong as it can get. It's just a very beautiful and a strong bond, and you both are very true with your commitments. So you both see each other settling down, married, having kids and grandkids. It's just such a beautiful, beautiful card here. So it's all looking very good, Scorpio, for you and your partner.